Hello everyone, welcome back to RPS-onChain. So RPS-onChain has gone through a lot of updates now. We actually went to a free-to-play model with new UI, custom UI, mini app integrations and all that. So let's get into it. So in this video, I would show the new user flow. Alright, so with two users playing. So currently on initial login, you'll be greeted with your stats. So all the total games you played. Now there's an AI matchmaking and there's also PvP matchmaking. So like we all know what AI matchmaking is, you'll be facing RPS-onChain capable and really smart AI. So let me just run a few games with this AI. Oh, I won my first. Oh, tie, and then let me see. Ah, I lost this. So I lost this. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. And you can see that my stats are actually updating with real time, real time updates of my stats. Alright, so now let's go to multiplayer. Alright, I create a room and then confirm. So you know, okay, RPS-onChain is currently on base network as well. So let me copy the room code. And we are on two networks. There's also just a bit of nuances. Alright, so the only and main nuance is that players on the base network can face player on a cello network. Players on a cello network can face players on the base network. That's the only nuance. So yeah, I'm on cello network. So let me join this room. It's on cello network. So let's say I was on base. Okay, what's going to happen? It's going to be a check, and I've been informed that this room is on cello, so I have to switch to cello network, and I can finally join the room, so I can see the creator of the room. Yeah, and so in this screen, alright, if the creator was a verified user on self protocol, which I'll get into, okay, I would be informed that yes, I'm actually facing a human, and so when you lose, I can tell that yeah, it's quite natural. I didn't face a bot. That's just right away. So let my second user confirm. Okay, so I'm in. First user chooses rock. Second user scissors. Oh, so I lose here. I can actually send my opponent a play again request. Okay, and he can choose to accept or leave. It's actually up to him. And I guess this should be a tie. Okay, it's a tie. So here's the thing. Okay, users can actually publish their matches onto the blockchain, and this can be viewed. What? And this can be viewed in the on-chain verified matches endpoints. That was a bit of a scare. A bit of a scare. A bit of a scare. Okay, so both players can decide to publish, but one has already published. Let me just publish this, in case both of us published. Okay, so yeah, both players actually published, even though that wasn't needed. So I can decide to end the game over here. Once I ended, my opponent to be informed that I left the game and he can publish the game. Since already published, then I can enter a match since his opponent has disconnected. So his only option is to go back onto the play section. Okay, so after every match, as usual, you can always check our match history to know how we are doing and to actually know how we can predict our opponents as well. So here's our match history of every match we've played, and against two with our moves as well. Yeah. Now let me go into the on-chain verified matches. So in the on-chain verified matches, you could see all the matches which are published on Celo network and on base network. If you're on a web view, if you're on Minipay, you can only see for Celo matches, and if you're on the base app, you can only see for base. So right here, the match we just played, alright? We played this match here, and you could see that my player 2 actually has his base name resolved. So yes, RPS-onChain also has ENS base name resolution. Alright, so the transaction can be checked on the blockchain. At the same time, the contract for this game can also be checked on the blockchain as well. Available right here. Okay. And now onto the profile section where the user is able to see his wallet address, his display name, whether it's a verified account user or not. So let me show you for an unverified user. So yeah, would have to verify himself with self protocol. And yeah, he has to scan this QR code and he's in. If he was on mobile, he just has to open the self protocol mobile app through this, and that'll be it. And now with good dollar integrations, users can claim good dollar every day. So I'm already claiming on one account, and so I can't be claiming on multiple accounts. Yeah, simply because with good dollar, I'll be asked to do a facial verification, and every face is tied to one unique account. It's tied to one account, so yeah, every face is unique. You can't really, play the system here to be claiming on multiple locations. Yeah, that's cool and all. That's cool and all. And now with the newest changes, there's actually a theme update. So I nearly realized that this player had a different theme compared to this player. So the base theme here is my theme, which I know you like already. We have the neon cyberpunk, we have ocean breeze, sunset glow, and my favorite royal purple. For themes as well, we have so many things. My favorite here is retro arcade. Actually increase or reduce font sizes. Actually have spacing for the components of this game, and I like my things compact and comfortable as well. And there's also a CRT monitor effect, so just to give you the arcade feel. And all my changes here can be saved onto the cloud, so that even if I change my devices, the moment I log in, my theme changes would automatically be applied for me. Oh, I disconnected. Let me reconnect. Okay, I'm in. Okay, so these are the new changes which have happened on RPS-onChain. So I think the next video I'll be getting into the Fakasa integration, the base app integration, and I currently have a Minipay integration as well, which you can check out.